His Excellency Mr. Ladislav Steinhübel, Ambassador of the Czech Republic to Pakistan and to Afghanistan, Ms. Michaela Chrtová, Deputy Head of Mission, distinguished guests, and esteemed members of the Sialkot Chamber of Commerce. It is a great honor and privilege for me to welcome His Excellency, Ambassador of the Czech Republic to Pakistan and Afghanistan, along with Ms. Michaela Chrtová, Deputy Head of Mission to the Sialkot Chamber. I may mention that the diplomatic relations between Pakistan and the Czech Republic, formerly Czechoslovakia, were established in 1950 and have continued under 93. Over the years, bilateral relations have evolved into a strong and mutually beneficial economic partnership. Exports to Pakistan primarily comprise sophisticated machinery and industrial equipment. In recent years, a noticeable increase in bilateral trade has been observed, particularly in Pakistan's export, largely attributed to GSP+. I would like to highlight that political engagement between the rounds of bilateral political consultations have been held between the Ministries of Foreign Affairs of Pakistan and the Czech Republic, with the ninth round convened in Islamabad on 2nd May 2023. We note with appreciation that the 10th session of the is scheduled to be held in Prague at a mutually commitment of both countries to further deepen political dialogue and cooperation, surely extending to trade. As per the data made available by the State Bank of Pakistan, the total bilateral trade of goods and services is $5 million. And there is great potential for both countries to explore avenues of collaboration and exchange of expertise to enhance growth, but also helps build long-term partnerships. Collaboration is key to realizing this potential. We propose the exchange. These initiatives would allow entrepreneurs to engage directly, share knowledge, and explore opportunities for collaboration in relevant sectors. Additionally, the Sialkot Chamber of Commerce and Industry would like to recommend signing a memorandum of understanding with the Chamber of Commerce and Industry of the Czech Republic. The proposed transfer technical expertise, skill, and capacity building initiatives, supporting sustainable growth and shared prosperity. At the same time, I would like to have an MOU for student exchange programs. Like your Czech Republic is a very advanced in technology, so maybe we can have an MOU for exchange of students. I wish to mention here the upcoming EU compliances are becoming increasingly strict and costly for the SME sector. These new requirements affecting key sectors impact SMEs not only in Pakistan but also within the EU. It is important to note that exporters of Sialkot are supplying value-added products to leading international brands and are already committed to meeting the requirements, standards, and compliances. A significant challenge faced by the surgical instrument sector is the limited availability of notified bodies for MDR compliance. We request the assistance of the Czech Republic Embassy in the creation of linkages with the relevant notifying bodies to facilitate our members and ensure access to the necessary compliance support. So I hope you understand that we are looking for companies who are certifying the MDR compliance. So there are few companies who are dealing, and they are very expensive, mostly in Germany and France. And if there are some companies in Czech Republic, you may refer us for the certifying purposes. By deepening business linkages, and facilitating structured engagement, a robust platform for trade expansion, innovation, and continued collaboration can be created. Support and guidance from relevant authorities will be instrumental. Your Excellency would appreciate that Sialkot proudly stands as Pakistan's export capital and a globally recognized hub of small and medium enterprises. Its export-oriented industries produce world-class goods ranging from surgical instruments and sports goods to leather products, gloves, and specialized industrial items, contributing significantly to the national economy. Initiatives to present our industrial excellence and work done in social sector development, a short documentary highlighting Sialkot's journey and achievements will be presented after my speech. Your Excellency, on behalf of the members of the Sialkot Chamber of Commerce and Industry, I once again thank you and your distinguished delegation for honoring us with your visit. We look forward to fruitful discussions and continued collaboration to further strengthen mutually beneficial trade and economic relationships between the two countries. Thank you very much.
Platform, then you can raise your remarks and your comments about the MOUs. This year, this committee will be held in Prague. So, and times we are doing like campaigns about the Czech industry abroad, to do the campaign about the Pakistani industry in Central Europe, for example.
That's right.
So this is just only my remarks that you are doing an excellent job, but nobody knows about it.
Mm-hmm. Mostly negative things are public.
I travel a lot, and it's my fault that I am here for the first time. But I did a lot of meetings with Pakistani around all cities, and you have really very nice country, very hospitable, very talented and productive people, and your advertising abroad is
not as good.
Is not as good, and you really deserve the better picture of Pakistan abroad than you have it now. And I am assured that our people will come, because Czech tourists are visiting Pakistan mainly during the summer, and they are going to Gilgit-Baltistan because we have a lot of mountaineers and they love it here. And I am happy that just us two. I don't know, maybe it's too brave to say, but we increased our export in last 2 years from 40 millions up to 45 millions. So I feel like we did a good job, but I know what we need from the Pakistani side to increase the knowledge about what is doing Pakistan.